tower. Yun. So yun yung tower na yun. Puntahan muna natin yung ano dito. Kasi minsan lang tayo makapasyal dito eh. Sa likod ng Holiday Inn Hotel. Nandito po yung parang ano, pyramid o mamlaka yata ang tawag nila doon. Tingnan natin kung makukuha na natin ng malapitan. Tara, let's go. So lakarin na natin. Natin kung ano natin kung makukuha na natin ng video. Asya Barigo, looking for SIM card? So naghahanap si Pasha, yung kasama ko, ng SIM card. He said coming 6? Yeah, I want to take video for this one, for the pyramid. We'll go from this side. Here. So we'll take the video for the pyramid. And we are here in maybe in that side.
You mean that one?
We'll just get the view of this one. This is the famous.
Really?
In Saudi Arabia. I always seen this building in magazine. Yes, magazine, YouTube.
Now it's time to put
advertisement.
In Facebook.
So we will walk alone from the street of Saudi Arabia. So this is our opportunity to take the video of this famous tower. So marami tayong nakikita rito mga ibang lahi. Okay. Ito na yun. We will go ahead very quick. Baka may one. They said they will call us if the bus came.
No number.
No number who?
To whom they will call?
No, us. You will call us, right?
How they will call?
Oh, you, yeah, I forgot. Yes, the one. Ito na yun. Ito na po yung ating building na malaki. Ayun, building na malaki. So yun siya, yung tower na yun. Sa likod pala. Yun yung tower na yun, malaking tower. Yun. So yun yung tower na yun. Now we are going to take the video, the famous building in Saudi Arabia. This is it. So okay, let's go. You see that building? Yeah, now you can see soon. See, these are the famous building. Very beautiful building. Napakaganda po niya, oh. It's very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. There you go. You got the SIM card? Okay, this is a very nice. Very nice. So we will go also say our selfie for
Still recording.
So this is the places. You see?
Yeah.
See these places? Then we will go now. Because this one very good. So bibili lang po kami ng SIM card. We have to go to find the SIM card because Pasha doesn't have any SIM card. So we will walk on the street. We will try our chance to have a SIM card. If no luck, then the bus will also leave us. We will pay more money for the taxi, and we don't know exactly the place.
I will write him. Let us know when the bus comes.
We will just look for the SIM card. Tell him. So we will find the SIM card. Night mode.
Where he go?
So we are here, B9 Spa. Ang daming mga spa rito.
مكان من الشركات SIM card. هنا قريب في واحد نفر كلام هنا سيده كده
No chance.
ما في اس تي سي زين ما في اي شركه
لا لا هنا قريب لا ممكن شريت تحتها
Better Pasha in the showroom of Jarir when our villa we will walk.
there is
ممكن مكتبة جرير برضه.
They're inside in Jarir.
there is
STC
inside
in
yesterday I
Madras.
went there but it's was closed.
Better. We will go to the store. Sa?
أيوة.
Tonight we will go to the store.
Just make one round until that works.
Okay, we will go to the store.
Still we have time. Did you see the
Lakad. Yeah.
last speech of Alejandro?
Yeah. Yes, it's good. Well, the SIM card is there, right? You will try?
Isn't that?
SIM card. If we don't have luck, we will go around. So we're still here in the street of Alcazar. What's the hotel? We are
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn Hotel. At the backside of Holiday Inn Hotel. To try if there's any chances to grab a SIM card. Because Mr. Pasha is going to Umrah after this meeting. After the next day.
Yeah, please store. Oh,
So we went there last time.
no, yeah, we came until the ready.
They send you by WhatsApp that you are still here?
Yeah, I sent him, but he didn't send to me.
Where's the hotel? This place.
MSI, Lenovo, Almaha.
Try this Abdullah Jara agency. If this one say that there is no SIM card, so now we have to go. Yeah, we have to go back
Yeah,
because there is no chance here.
there are some fruits. Maybe one SIM card store.
It's all cafe. Looking. Hanap kami ng SIM card. Kasi itong kasama ko bukas pag natapos ng meeting diretso na siya ng Maka. Mag-uumra to. So punta tayo sa Barberman. Check natin kung meron ditong SIM card. So nandun si Pasha. So nagtatry siya baka kung may bibili SIM card. Nothing. Yeah, let's go. So babalik na tayo. We will go back to the Holiday Inn Hotel because there's no accurate information when we will get the SIM card. So ito yung yan, mission failed tayo, hindi tayo nakakuha ng SIM card. So pagdating namin sa bahay, didiretso kami ng Jarir Bookstore, malapit doon sa aming villa. May malapit doon na Jarir Bookstore doon. So doon kami magtatry kung makakabili kami ng SIM card. So ang ganda ng Saudi Arabia.
Go from there?
Yeah, we'll go from here. Kita nyo naman yung Saudi Arabia. Ayan. Ang daming sasakyan sa kalsada, nakapark. Ayan. Mga buildings. So babalik na po tayo sa ating location. Sana hindi pa maalis yung aming service. Kung hindi, magta-taxi kami nito. Yun, doon pala sila. Wala pa, andun pa lahat. So nandun pa yung mga kasama namin sa kabila, nandun pa yung mga tropa namin yung iba. So nandun yung pa yung iba naghihintay. Dahan muna natin ng isang landscape video tong Holiday Inn Hotel dito sa may Saudi Arabia. So ayan. So kitang kita na rito yung pinaka main tower. So ayan. So ito yung pinaka Holiday Inn Hotel. Night view. So ano muna natin yung video rito ng ano. So, ito yung ating mga tropa pits. Tapos na yung ating meeting. Welcome to YouTuberong Pinoy. Yan, YouTuberong Pinoy.
Hello mga kamukha!
Yan. Okay, panoorin niyo po kami sa Tulpo. Ay. Natin yung shoutout muna.
Kami sa Holiday.
Holiday Inn Hotel. Ito na, katatapos lang po namin.